money. Queens get the 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 money. Queens get
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. If you're new here, today we are going to be reviewing a headband wig from JaJa Hair. Y'all, I am so excited. This is a human hair wig, baby. I'm talking about your girl is coming up in life. This human hair, I got a human hair wig, y'all. So y'all know that this is my very first wig review video. So please bear with me. I'm trying to get this package open so I can show y'all what all comes in the package. And shout out to JaJa Hair or JJ Hair. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, for sending me this wig. Thank you all so much. And thank you all so much for being patient with me while I came to terms with doing a wig review video. Like, I really feel like I'm just, so special because y'all chose me. Like, oh my God. I got chose. I be getting chose, y'all. But that is their social media. Of course, I will be linking their social media down below, as well as the direct link to the wig. This is what it comes in. And of course, they sent me a few extra goodies. I got a wig cap. I think it has 2 wig caps in there. I always need those. A thank you card, of course, with their information on there. And then I got some extra headbands. I really like the headband that it comes with, but I'm going to show y'all the headband that's already attached to the wig. I like that one because it goes with everything. But I'm going to show y'all the headbands that they sent. These are optional. You can throw those on top of the headband that it comes with just to spice it up a little bit. I'm a simple girl, If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah. So these are the headbands that it comes with, little flower ones and then a cheetah print one. That was my favorite. I'll probably wear that with just my natural hair on a day when I'm feeling a little wild. So y'all, I usually wear half wigs and just put a little headband over it because this my first wig that's a human head wig, that's that came from y'all. I ain't know. So I put this little headband on, thinking that, that it didn't come with one. Why did I think that when it's a whole headband wig? I don't know, but yeah. So I didn't need that one. I'm finna take it off in a minute. But you can see this is the texture of the hair. This is the 22-inch. I believe it's the deep wave headband wig. Human hair, y'all. It's human hair. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It is a very big head friendly wig. As you can see, I have a dome, honey, and I have a lot of hair. So even when I braid my hair down, it's still hard to make my hair really flat because of the length of it. So, but this wig was really accommodating for that. So if you got a big head like me and you got a lot of hair like me, this wig is perfect. Let me come about this little Ratchet Love headband. I was so upset. I was the only black one that I had. And I was like, oh, this love across it is not right. So thank God this has the headband already attached to it. This is also my first actual headband wig. So like I said, I usually get the half wig, the synthetic ones, and then put a headband around it. But let me go ahead on and put that on. See how easy it came on, honey? See, now I'm starting to feel myself. I was a little, feeling a little weight when I first started the video. And then I put this wig on, honey. The wigs will change your life. Do you hear me? I'm talking about your mood, everything. Like, yes. So the headband has these little Velcro pieces at the end of it. Of course, you'll wrap that around in the back and attach those. That is very accommodating as well. It's not tight. You won't get a tension headache throughout the day. I have gotten those with a lot of wigs, especially having a big head and a lot of hair. You squeeze that wig on there because you're trying to look cute, and you know, about 2 hours later, your head is hurting. You're trying to figure out why. It's the tension from the wig. You don't really get that with this wig. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I am going to come back. We're on our way to Memphis right now, me and the hubby. But I'm going to come back at the end of the day and show y'all how the wig held up throughout the day. So right here, I'm just trying to get these Velcro pieces attached to each other. Having a little problem, a little issue. So let me get a clip. So get you a clip, boo. Put that hair up. Come on, Brooke. Come on. Where my clip at? Where's my clip? Come on, clip. See, when you have daughters, you can't never find nothing because they always just digging in your stuff and messing with stuff. But I found me one. I probably should have edited this part out. But since I'm already doing the voiceover, I ain't... Skip. There we go. Found it. See, this the shit I be talking about when you have kids, honey. When you have girls, my oldest is 15. She just be all in my bathroom just doing whatever she want. But I found the clip. So her life is not in danger as of right now since I found the clip. She better stop going in my bathroom messing with my stuff. But y'all see how the headband is? And there's Velcro at the end of those. And you just put those together and just make you a little headband, honey. You can even wear it up if you want to. I like to wear my hair down. I feel like my face is a little chubby, and I always am the cutest when my hair is down. Don't get me wrong, I will wear it up. I'm in a bun right now. But, yeah. Baby, this is kind of cute right here, though. This kind of, honey. I probably could have got away with wearing it like that. I didn't even see that it was cute like that when I was putting this on. Like, oh, honey. But you can tell I'm feeling myself, though. Had to turn around. Don't worry about them kitchens back there. That's probably why I didn't wear it up. Don't worry about them, honey. That's natural hair problems. But this wig is very, like, I wore it a couple days and didn't even do my edges. And it still looked like my hair. Like, it's the human hair quality. The quality of the hair is really good. It's not too shiny. Look, honey, yes, honey, feeling it, yes, honey. So, like I said, we're getting ready to go to Memphis. So, I don't really like the poofy hair look. So, I'm going to wet this with my 360 sprayer. I love a flip over method look. So, I'm going to try to work that into this. Definitely gonna need to wet it up for that. But if you like the poofy hair look, you know, it's cute like this too. But I like the exotic, you know, wet curly look. So that's what we are about to do. So I can walk around Memphis and people can be wondering, is she from here? No, baby, I'm from Little Rock. I'm from Little Rock. But that's the 360 sprayer. Love that. Definitely good for long hair like this and for natural hair. There is nothing in there but water. I don't put conditioners or oils or anything like that in my sprayers. I just put water in there just to wet it up and, you know, keep it a little manageable or whatnot. Yeah. And I also threw some pictures up there on Instagram too, if y'all want to see how it held up throughout the day and all of that. Then head on over to IG. That will definitely be in the link down below. It will be linked in the description box down below. Head on over there and follow your girl. Turn my social media up, baby. Turn my social media up. But I felt like it needed just a little bit more, a little something. So I'm about to break out my S Curl spray. I got it from my local beauty supply. I got that 360 sprayer from Cosmoprof. You do have to have a license to shop in Cosmoprof. But I'm sure they got them in other places too. Honey, my husband had the music going, baby, and your girl was feeling herself. But whenever we get ready, he always turns on the music, which is hence why I'm having to do a voiceover. We don't want no copyright strikes. But I love the way that S Curl Spray made this wig look. It's honey. Yes. Too cute. Y'all, I got some human hair, y'all. This human hair. If y'all can remember what movie that was on, please comment down below and let me know, because I just cannot remember. Somebody was talking to her about her weave or something, and that's what she was like, this human hair. Honey, that's how I had been feeling the whole day. Like, baby, this human hair. This me. It was given to me, so it's mine. And it's human hair. But yes. So if you in Little Rock, well, I be damn. If you in Little Rock and you want to know where I got that from, I got that from Supreme Hair Store on Colonel Glenn. They have some of everything. I feel like that is the Walmart of hair products. They got the best wigs, the best hair products, all of that. So, trying to get this flip over method together. Trying to figure that out. Yes, honey. So all in all, I am in love with this wig. I really don't have any cons. It's a very beautiful wig. It was very accommodating for all of this hair and this big old head. And it was cute whether it was puffy, it was cute with product in it. And I don't have any pros those are the pros. I don't have any cons. It's a really cute wig. I really think, and it was so affordable. It's only like $100. And for human hair, baby, you can't beat that. Especially coming from somebody like me. I usually don't spend no more than about $70 on a wig. But this, yes, I will purchase again. But at this point right now, I don't have to. Like I said, it's human hair. I'm about to wash it as we speak. And I am going to be wearing it again. So it was an investment. It was a very good investment. I'm about to get a really good return. And here I'm just trying to see if I want to throw it up in a ponytail and wear it like that or whatever. But like I said, y'all, the shape of this head. And I didn't use the comb. I don't know why. I think I put it on like later in the day. But if you do decide to throw it up in a ponytail or something like that, then definitely use the comb, at least the comb in the front, the combs that are in the front. If you're trying to put it up in a ponytail, but I wasn't going to put it up in a ponytail. And it stayed on, y'all. Just like that. The headband and the Velcro and all that, it was enough. So, honey. Your girl is feeling herself, and I apologize about the brightness with the light. This is my first time actually filming in my bathroom. This is where the hair comes to on me. I am 5'4". So it's a pretty good length. I love long hair. Let me turn around, show y'all what it's looking like in the back. I'm talking about that curl pattern is so pretty. Love it. Girl got some human hair. This human hair. Yes. Curl pattern popping. So I am going to we went to Selfie Utopia in Memphis. So I'm going to include a few little stories that I did there so y'all can see. Honey, hope you like them. And then I am going to come back at the end of the day and show y'all what all, how the hair held up by the end of the day. All right, y'all, so here we are at the end of the day. Like I said, I really don't have any cons. The wig held up really well. I love this natural look. It really matched my natural hair. There wasn't much shedding or anything like that, so I just love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Queens get the money. 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 Queens get the money.